making rounds on social media shows Nigerian content creator Kuye Adegoke, popularly known as Egungun of Lagos, embroiled in a cheating controversy following the leak of a private video just hours after his wife, Pashota, publicly addressed a blackmail threat involving her husband. In her previous statement, Pashota had dismissed the blackmail attempt, describing her husband as loyal and their relationship is built on trust. She declared that no scandal could disrupt their union. The leaked footage, now circulating on social media, shows Egungun on a video call with an unidentified woman. In the clip, he is seen brushing his teeth before briefly exposing his private part while dressed in shorts. The leaked video, however, has cast doubt on this narrative, drawing a mixed criticism and speculation, with many questioning Egungun's image as a family man. Popular Nigerian on-air media personality OAP N6 has taken to social media to mock the living daylight out of Instagram influencer Egungun of Lagos, following his leaked video with a lady. OAP N6 seemed clearly not impressed with what he saw, as he was expecting massive, just like the way Egungun of Lagos was always shouting massive during his interview with highly endowed lady. Taken to his verified Instagram page, OAP N6 wrote, "Dear Egungun, that was not massive at all, baby." Someone called Lagata immediately. As the controversy continues to unfold, Nigerians across social media platforms have berated Egungun's act. A user who identified as #Dr. Penking on X.com wrote, "So Egungun wife watched that video and still had the temerity to come out and defend him. I thought we all agreed that Nigerian women now know their worth. Where was she when that decision was made?" Another user, Peace Igodaro, said, "Egungun's wife is the perfect definition of an understanding wife." We'll continue to monitor this developing story for more updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.